I'm Mandy Gata.
And I'm Frankie Martinez, part of the Martinez team with Iron Key Real Estate.
And today we are in Northwest Fresno, in front of our beautiful new listing at 3417 North Cleo Avenue.
This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home was built in 2005 and sits at just over 2,100 square feet. We're super excited to share it with you. Come on in, let's take a look. As you enter the property, you will immediately notice the nice, large, formal living and dining room area. As you enter the kitchen, you will notice the granite counters, the full tile backsplash, and I love the open concept feel into the living room. Completing the downstairs portion of the home, you will find a fully renovated bathroom and a nice large bedroom, perfect for the extended family or someone who's looking for a multi-generational setup. Upstairs, both of the secondary bedrooms are very good size. The large secondary bathroom upstairs has also been fully renovated. And this truly is a master suite. With tons of natural light, this oversized bedroom is perfect for anyone looking for their own personal getaway. And look at this master bathroom. Also fully renovated, it comes complete with a walk-in shower and a soaking tub, and it provides you with a timeless look. And the backyard is perfect for someone looking to entertain. You have an integrated stucco patio complete with outdoor kitchen possibilities, and to the side of the backyard, you have a fully covered patio with tons of space.
Thank you so much for taking the time to tour Cleo Avenue with us today. We really do appreciate it.
And as always, if you're looking to schedule a private showing of this property, contact your local real estate agent today. And if you don't have a real estate agent, Mandy, myself, the rest of the Martinez team, we're always happy to help. Call, text, or email, we're here for you. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.